how to change your Facebook password on a PC or laptop. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the password for your Facebook account within the browser on a desktop computer, MacBook, Chromebook, laptop, anything like that. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started changing our password on Facebook, the first thing we need to do is open up a browser and navigate to facebook.com. Once you get logged in, go up to the top right and select your profile image. And then in the menu that opens, select Settings and Privacy. Once in Settings and Privacy, select Settings. Now that we're in the Settings and Privacy, in the left menu here, select See More in Account Center. And then once in the Account Center, go down and select Password and Security. Now all we need to do is select Change Password and then select the Meta account that you want to change the password on. Now when you get here, Facebook may send an email with a security code in it to your email account. So you just need to get that code and then enter it in, and then you'll see Change Password. But once you get to Change Password, enter your current Facebook password and then enter your new desired password in these two boxes here. If you don't know your current password, go through the Forgot Password steps by selecting Forgot Your Password. Once you've entered your new password in, at the bottom here, we can check this box and this will log us out of Facebook on every other device. So if you think your account was hacked or someone else is logged into your Facebook account, if you leave this checked, when you select Change Password, that'll log them out of your account and it will update your Facebook password. So now all we need to do is select Change Password, and once you do that, you will have then changed your Facebook password. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.